Good morning, children. Today, let us see worksheet number 11 and 12. Chapter Let Us Play, Key Concepts, Games, Rules, Method of practicing the rules. Learning outcomes. Know that all games have rules and the games should be played according to rules. Understand that the victory and defeat should be accepted equally in the games. Understand that as the games have rules, our personal safety also has rules. Conceptual understanding. All games have rules. We should play games according to the rules. Games should be played without keeping in mind victory or defeat. Playing games every day improves health and friendship. Number 1. Write the differences between the games Kho-Kho and cricket. Children, already we have written in classwork. Once again we will discuss here. Let us see Kho-Kho. No material is used. Cricket. Materials like bat, ball, etc. are used. Kho-Kho. 2 stumps are used. Cricket. 6 stumps are used. Kho-Kho. It is an Indian game. Cricket. It is a foreign game. Kho-Kho. 9 members make a team. Cricket. 11 members make a team. What are called personal safety rules? Rules to keep our bodies safe are called personal body safety rules. Next, draw and color the pictures. Volleyball, chessboard, not chess, chessboard. Self-assessment number 11. Who plays games well in a school? How do you appreciate them when they play well? You can write your own answer, children. Here I am writing. My friend Sonu plays games well in our school. When he plays well, we all congratulate him. What should we learn from the winners of the game? What can be learned from the losers of the game? We should learn the following from the winners of the game. First one, we should have team spirit and put effort for winning the game. Number 2, learn that we can win only out of hard work. Number 3, never cheat and win. From losers, 1. Learn to be sportive. 2. Learn to know the faults made. 3. Learn to rectify the mistakes. Second bit. Children were playing kabaddi in the playground. Disputes arose during the play. Teacher came just then. What might teacher have asked them? What might the children have replied? If you were there, what questions would have asked? Children, you see in classwork, ask a question. Okay. Number three, ask your friends about the games they like. Fill in the table with the details. Here I am writing Rekhu as first name. Rekhu, games liked. Cricket, it is an outdoor game. 11 members make a team. Next name is Rama. Games like chess. It is an indoor game. It can play with two people. Next name is Lata. Games like skipping. It is an individual game. Next name Sunil. Kho. 9 members make a team. It is also an outdoor game. Let us move to the next lesson. Worksheet number 12. Lesson name Shelters of Animals. Key concepts. Shelters of animals and birds. Learning outcomes. Know that animals live on land, trees and in water. Some creatures like frogs, tortoises, crocodiles, crabs, etc. live both on land and in water. Some make holes and burrows in the ground and live in them. Conceptual understanding. Animals live in different places. Some live on land and some live in water. The others live both on land and in water. Name some animals you know. Write where do they live. Bird, nest. Fish, water. Lion, forest. Cow, shed. Rabbit, burrow. Write the names of 2 animals that live in water. Fish and crocodile. Collect the pictures of some animals and prepare an album. Write 3 lines on each of them. First column, name of the animal, shelter they live in, food they eat. Name of the animal is tiger, shelter they live in. Tiger lives in forest. Food they eat is food, flesh. Name of the animal, cow, shelter they live in, shed. Food they eat, plants. Name of the animal, rat, shelter they live in, hole. Food they eat, vegetables, seeds, etc. Name of the animal, rabbit, shelter they live in, burrow. Food they eat, carrot. Name of the animal, parrot, shelter they live in, nest. Food they eat, fruits, nuts, etc. Name of the animal, dog, shelter they live in, kennel. Food they eat, meat, fish, rice, etc. Self-assessment number 12. Observe the picture and answer the questions. Write the names of animals and birds present in the picture. Parrot, pigeon, monkey, chameleon, squirrel, snake, crane and cow. Which of these animals and birds you have seen in your surroundings? Parrot, pigeon, monkey, chameleon, squirrel, snake, etc. Second bit, match the following with their shelters. Dog, rat, tortoise, monkey. Answers: in water, on the trees, in the houses, on the land, and in the holes. Let us see the answers. Dog in the houses. Rat on the land and in the holes. Tortoise in water. Monkey on the trees. Draw and color the animals you like. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Have a good day. Thank you.